Hello students, today we are going to solve 7th numerical of previous year gate question. Question is written as a 1 meter wide rectangular channel carries a discharge of 2 meter cube per second. The specific energy depth diagram is prepared for the channel. It is observed in this diagram that corresponding to a particular specific energy, the subcritical depth is twice the supercritical depth. The subcritical depth in meter up to 2 decimal places is equals to. Now we have to solve this question. Let the supercritical depth will be equals to y and subcritical depth will be equals to 2y. As the specific energy remains constant for alternate depths, E1 will be equals to E2. So y1 plus q square upon 2g b square y1 square will be equals to y2 plus q square upon 2g b square y2 square. Now, after putting the value, we will have y plus 2 square upon 2 into 9.81 into 1 square into y square will be equals to 2y plus 2 square upon 2 into 9.81 into 1 into 2y whole square. After solving this, we will have y equals to 0.534. Now, subcritical depth will be equals to 2y. Therefore, we have to put the value of y here, that is 0.534. It will be equals to 1.0697, which will be nearly equals to 1.07 meter. That will be the subcritical depth. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.